So I made a little more progress over here. I drilled out the holes back where the cover tech was. You can see kind of the wearing from the cover tech on the back here. And then I got 2 recharge ports kind of set up. I bent the tabs out for running the wires out. It kind of makes it so it doesn't take up as much space inside the hilt. And then I took the cover tech that came with it and drilled it out and put 2 of these plugs inside of them so that I'll be able to use, just pop these cover techs back into the recharge ports. So just like that, boom. Got the cover tech right there in the recharge port, same thing here. And then I'm planning on taking my little 3D printing pen and printing over the opening just to make it so it looks full and black right here. Clean up the adhesive that's on the top, but that's my intention there, is just to have these 2 as cover tech kilt keys. Okay, so this is about the look I'm probably going to end up with right here. Got the 2 12mm red ignition switches in place, and then the secondary switch or auxiliary switch right there. I got these trimmed down to where they're completely flush on the inside, and then have them bonded where they're sticking out like that. And then I trimmed the original chassis around to fit everything in the upper, and then this will fasten using the screw here just to hold it in place. Planning on getting a couple stock 10-pole connector PCBs, have 1 on each one of these on the bottom. Essentially what will happen is this will slide in, so this will slide into about here, and what it will end up doing is both of them will line up with each other, complete the connection, and then the signal will be sent through. This one will have the removable battery on this side, the Profi board, and then also the speaker. So that'll just slide up. I'm probably going to have the pin for alignment on this side of the connection. That way it just slides right in place. Try to get it where they line up, connect, and boom, there you go. It'll probably be a whole lot easier having it on the chassis that way, because there's a lot more open space on this. So that way the alignment pin will hit location and then be able to slide it and make sure all the connecting pins hit the right locations on the pads. This setup right here was not exactly what I wanted to do, but the availability for the switch I wanted for this, it's currently unavailable, and I don't see it becoming available anytime in the near future. So I went with the next best thing that I could think of doing with it. So the next thing is this pretty much flush mounts for the most part. I could recess this a little bit if I wanted to, but it's too much of a hassle at the moment. I may do it later on and make it so this sits a little more in line with it, but right now it looks pretty good. Not perfect, but it looks pretty good.
Thank you for watching this video. If you liked this video, then please press the like button.
And if you like what you've been watching, please hit the subscribe button.
To see our latest video, click on the link to the right.
Thank you again. Later, later.